Begin by removing the front and upper panels from the air conditioner's outdoor unit. Disassemble the fan blades and remove the soundproofing cotton. Use an air gun to perform dusting on the air conditioner. Unscrew the screws holding the central bulkhead in place. Ensure that the bulkhead is positioned as far away from the compressor as possible. Gather the components: AC energy, saving plates, ring-shaped fastening straps, heat dissipation stickers, heat dissipation spray material, labels. Initially, affix the heat dissipation sticker to the air conditioning energy-saving plates without removing the protective layer. Utilize the blade to trim away any excess portions of the sticker. Save by initially installing the inner heat dissipation plate. Following that, install the outer heat dissipation plate. Secure both plates using round fastening straps. Once secured, assess whether the fit is now. Trim any excess parts of the fastening straps. Apply a layer of heat dissipation material to the surfaces of the condenser, axial motor, and baffle sides, using an electric spray gun. Attach the fan blades, secure the partition board. Install the panels and upper cover to complete the installation.